Basal cell carcinoma shows nuclear palisading. String of pearl sign is seen in small bowel obstruction. Snowstorm ascites is seen in meconium peritonitis. Defect in porphobilinogen deaminase causes acute intermittent porphyria. Ideal angle for Z-plasty is 60 degree. Interception commonest cause is hypertrophy of submucous Pear patches. Paralytic ileus can occur after abdominal surgery, abdominal trauma, or peritonitis. Port wine stain is seen in Sturge-Weber syndrome. Myoglobinuria is seen after electric burn. Longest acting antipsychotic is penfluridol. Wet pillow syndrome causing antipsychotic is clozapine. Ocular side effect of thioridazine is retinal pigmentation. Nalidixic acid is bacterial topoisomerase inhibitor. Vortex keratopathy causing antipsychotic is chlorpromazine. RBC casts are seen in glomerular injury. Nerve supply of pinna is by lesser occipital, auriculotemporal nerve and greater auricular nerve. Restless leg syndrome is seen in iron deficiency anemia, chronic renal failure, and third trimester of pregnancy. Anuria is, is less than 100 ml of urine in a day. Cytomegalovirus is most common viral infection after renal transplant. Dysphagia progresses from solids to liquids in case of clear esophagus. Dysphagia for liquid and then followed by solids is seen in achalasia. Hutchinson's triad includes Hutchinson's teeth, 8 nerve palsy, and interstitial keratitis. Tuberous sclerosis triad include mental retardation, adenoma sebaceum, and epilepsy. Doyne's retractor is used for lower section caesarean section to retract the bladder. Endometriosis in young lady with infertility is treated by clomiphene citrate. Most common indication for intrauterine transfusion is hemolytic anemia. Gardasil vaccine provides protection against CS cervix and warts. Cystic fibrosis is associated with obstructive azoospermia. Immature cystic teratoma is the most common malignant germ cell tumor. Unidextrous approach is observed at 4 months. Bidextrous approach is observed in 6 months. Salt pepper skull is seen in hyperparathyroidism. Colles fracture causes dinner fork deformity due to extraarticular fracture of radius with posterior displacement. Smith is extraarticular fracture of radius with anterior or volar displacement called garden spade deformity. Glomus jugular tumor shows pulsatile tinnitus. It is highly vascular, salt and pepper appearance on MRI. Pulsatile tinnitus with discharge through perforation called lighthouse sign is seen in mastoiditis. Posterior epitaxis is due to sphenopalatine artery situated at posterior end of middle turbinate. Glomus tumor shows brown sign and Aquino sign. Anterior inferior cerebellar artery is a branch of basilar artery, while posterior inferior cerebellar artery is a branch of vertebral artery. For cerebral angiography, most preferred route is femoral route. Mayer-Cotton grading is used for subglottic obstruction. Double bleb sign is formed by the yolk sac and the amnion. Intradecidual sign reliably excludes the ectopic pregnancy. M-mode ultrasound helps to determine the fetal heart rate. Rhombencephalon helps to localize the cranial end of the fetal pole. Crown rump length is the best method to provide dating of pregnancy in first trimester. CRL more than or equal to 7 mm with no heart rate is diagnostic of a failed pregnancy. Abbe-Exlander flap is used for lip reconstruction. Mayo's operation is done for umbilical hernia. Heimlich valve is used in chest drainage in case of pneumothorax. Femoral hernia is the commonest hernia to be strangulated. Inverted 3 sign can be seen in CA head of pancreas. Rolled up omentum can be seen in peritoneal tuberculosis. Epiplosyl is hernia containing omentum. Posterior mediastinum, most common tumor is neurofibroma. Trousseau's sign and Sostek sign are observed in hypocalcemia. Lotus symbol is used in National Leprosy Eradication Program. Abhiyan Indradhanush is for change of bedsheets in ESI hospitals. The end TB is to eliminate TB by 2035. Infant mortality rate is 32 per 1000 in India. Rhabdomyosarcoma is composed of strap cells. Oil drop cataract is seen in galactosemia. Oil drop sign or salmon patch is seen in psoriasis. Leiomyosarcoma cells are blunt cells. Mirtazapine is antidepressant with least sexual side effect. Famipizole is given in methanol and ethylene glycol poisoning. Bone forming agent in osteoporosis is teriparatide. Carnitine is effective in valproate toxicity. Protamine is antidote for heparin. Section 202 IPC is when a doctor doesn't inform the police. Issue of false certificate is punishable under Section 197 IPC. Implied consent in emergency comes under Section 92. Invalid consent comes under Section 90 IPC. Examination of an accused by a doctor on request of police comes under CRPC 53. H. Ducrey causing chancroid presents as school of fish appearance. Starry sky appearance on biopsy is seen in Burkitt's lymphoma. Warthin's starry silver stain is for identification of H. pylori infection. Babies with congenital cytomegalovirus presents as petechiae, jaundice, and hepatosplenomegaly. Toluidine blue stains nuclear material for malignant lesions. Spiegelberg's criteria is for diagnosis of primary ovarian ectopic pregnancy. Inversion of foot is by tibialis anterior and tibialis posterior. Eversion of foot is by peroneus longus and peroneus brevis. Failure of reduction of physiological hernia is called omphalocele. Ruptured ectopic pregnancy causes free fluid in the pouch of Douglas. Donovenosis with Donovan bodies are seen in Klebsiella granulomatosis. Before birth, left umbilical vein carry oxygenated blood from mother to fetus. After birth, left umbilical vein gets obliterated to form ligamentum teres. Congenital hydrocephalus can be due to arachnoid cyst, Arnold-Chiari malformation, and Dandy-Walker syndrome. Diostride is 5-alpha reductase inhibitor used in BPH. It stops the conversion of testosterone to dihydrotestosterone. Ruptured aortic aneurysm presents as pulsatile abdominal lump. Venous ulcers are shallow ulcers with sloping edge. Reverse Trendelenburg position is preferred for laparoscopic cholecystectomy. Kashima operation is done for bilateral vocal cord palsy. First paranasal sinus to develop at birth is maxillary sinus. Bernard-Solier syndrome is characterized by GP1B deficiency. Platelet addition is by GP1B and VWF. Platelet activation is by TXA2 and ADP, while GP2B and fibrinogen do platelet aggregation. GP2B defect leads to Glanzmann disease. Dalrymple sign is observed in Graves' ophthalmopathy. In von Graffi sign, patient looks down due to upper lid lag. Thank you.